Sir, I am thinking that we should bring a bill and ordinance for the farmers, because what happened that when in during the election you also told because more than other people there are farmers in our country. So you told that you would bring some great changes for them, you will bring technology and many things for them. So let's bring an ordinance for them only.
Okay, surely it will be executed. So plan for it, and I will try to make it pass. And definitely we will do for the farmers because they are working for us. And so uh, talk to other ministers and hope that it will be executed. Good job.
Okay, sir.
So, sir, there is now no any session in the parliament just because the pandemic. So, how it will be possible to bring this ordinance?
No problem. We have different procedures to bring the ordinance, and we will do it.
Okay, sir.
Who is there?
Sir, may I come in?
Yeah, come in.
Sir, you take it.
What is this?
Sir, this is an ordinance passed by the our Prime Minister of India. He has sent it for signing.
Okay. Take it.
Thank you, sir. Don't accept this bill.
We don't accept this bill.
We don't accept. We need amendment.
We need amendment.
We need justice.
We need justice.
We need justice.
Don't cross this border.
Why?
This is government order.
We are the farmers. Let me enter inside.
And
No.
we are protesting peacefully. It is our constitutional right.
This is government order. Don't cross this border.
Then it's our constitutional right also
To protest,
to protest
against
peacefully.
the government.
Yeah. And we are protesting peacefully.
We will
No
do
one
it
can stop us.
peacefully. Please let us enter
No,
in the capital.
Yeah.
I can't do anything. This is government order.
Please.
No.
Thank you so much everyone for coming and talking to us.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much
sir.
Thank you,
for
sir.
calling us.
Actually, we all have discussed over it and we passed out this bill just because of your benefits. As per it, you can sell your vegetables or your crops anywhere you want in India. So it's beneficial for you all.
Yeah, this is right, sir. But when you pass this bill, then you should think about farmer, because nowadays you are listening that many farmers are doing just suicide due
Yes,
to
sir.
this.
And
And if you talk, then this is a law which is passed in foreign country also. You can take example of USA. So still there, they are more. The number of suicides are increasing day by day
Yeah.
there. So
Yes.
this will affect the farmer health.
and as well as sir, middlemen who are just sitting in the mandi and the jal and who are helping the small farmers.
They will also get destroyed.
Yeah.
Sir, but as you told that farmers are doing suicide, we have the data and it is not like that all the farmers are doing suicide. Many farmers and mostly all the farmers will have a very big benefit from it, because we will give them less taxes and they will get more profit by this ordinance.
Sir, we don't want this bill, sir.
Then also this is not good for farmers. As you saw that many farmers are just protesting against this. You saw in Delhi, the farmers
As
of
per me,
Punjab and
the-
Haryana are just protesting against this bill.
Yes.
Yes,
Now
as
you are
per
just
me,
seeing the result.
that big farmers will get more benefit by this, but the small farmers who are just who are, there is a very big interaction between the middleman and the small farmers or
Yes.
middlemen. They will get completely they will get side.
Yeah.
Actually, you are all not understanding what I am trying to tell now, but might be that when you will get benefits in the future, then you might understand what I am trying to say.
Yes.
There will be no changes and it will be still be carried.
Sir, you told that there will be no changes. you go on Google and search that when USA has passed this bill, means they have also passed this bill for USA farmer, but then also they are doing suicide.
Yeah, now we have
Well,
not a
this-
much time that we will commit mistake and then only we will learn. There is now time to learn something by the other person mistake or other country.
Yes.
Sir, I suggest that to go to farmers and talk to them. What are the problem they are facing, and try to resolve it.
Okay, we will definitely meet the farmers and we will think more about it later.
Okay, sir.
Thank
You, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for it.
So guys, it was all we were trying to show you all, that what farmers are demanding and what are the objectives of the government behind this bill and all. So hope that you liked the video, you learned something, and continue on our channel, and hope that's all guys. We will meet. So till then, take care.
Take care. Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.
See you
soon,
soon,
guys.